Hi, Tim Blankenship here with Divorce 661. I just got off the phone with a nice lady, and we get this question all the time, but I wanted to tell folks who are going through divorce, maybe you're trying to do it on your own, or if you're looking to use a professional service like ours to help you prepare the paperwork, don't use the marital settlement agreements you find on the internet. Please do not use the marital settlement agreements you find on the internet. First of all, marital settlement agreements have tons of information in there. Not only do you not need, they look very lawyer-like, they look official, they look like something that is useful. However, what happens is you don't know the source of that marital settlement agreement, and if you use a marital settlement agreement you find off the internet, there's a 99% chance that when you turn in your agreement, if you use that as the format, that if you turn in that agreement, it's going to be rejected by the courts. So we recommend that you don't use marital settlement agreements off the internet at all. And I just had this discussion with a nice lady that called today, and I explained to her that reason. Usually the language is very boilerplate, and it's not going to be specific to you. And number two, it's not going to have the official legalese necessary for such things as spouse support and child support and things of that nature. It's not going to meet the court's criteria. It's not going to have the technical legal language necessary for it to become a good agreement. So it's just a waste of time. If you're going to use a service like ours as well, like this nice lady who called, she said, I'm going through this online settlement agreement I found on the internet, and we're trying to work out our agreements and use that as a guide. And I told her, just throw that away. Don't use that as a guide. At the end of the day, all we need to know is what your agreements are. All we need to know is who's keeping what are you going to do with the kids, where are your assets and debts going, who's going to be responsible for it. So don't use the marital settlement agreements, even if you're doing this on your own, even if you're not going to use our service. Just don't use it. They're not necessary. We say use the judgment forms, and I've done tons of videos on this before. Use the judgment forms that the courts provide. It makes it very clear. It has all the technical legal language built in, so you don't have to guess what you're doing. Tim Blankenship, divorce661.com. Thanks for watching.